Hello. Today we will see the continuation of part 1, which will be the solution for the previous video. Those who didn't watch my previous part, the link is there below. Please go through it. And this part is named as part 2. So we will start our session. Generally, many parents or aged people used to ask what happened to the present generation attitude. Basically, it's not the problem of generation. We can't blame them blindly. Think about this. Can you watch 1 hour news with full family without changing channel or reducing volume? It's really a challenge nowadays. Certain news are really shocking and vulgar. Based on my view, if a child is doing a good or bad thing, three category people are directly or indirectly responsible for it. They are parents, teachers, and friends. 15 to 26 age are very crucial, which fixes the future of a person. That means our future India depends mainly on 15 to 26 age group. So we have to focus more on them for a great India. We will see the major 5 solutions for part 1 video session. First one is a technical side. It is divided into 2 parts, A and B. Under A, it's come apps. Delete all unwanted apps and don't install new apps. Changing SIM will not work. So, only thing we can do is reset your mobile. Before you reset, your full data should be saved in some other device because finally after reset, your mobile will be like a new one without any data. Those who don't know to reset your mobile, I will show the steps to follow. The following steps are: go to settings of your mobile. Under that system, click reset, and finally you can see factory reset. Click this factory reset and your mobile will be reset. And the second one, under technical side, it's called a net banking. Don't connect your main account with net banking. If you have to transfer big amount, you can directly do it from bank. For small transaction like ticket booking or online purchase, you can opt for another account that can be connected to net banking. For example, husband and wife. Then main account can be in one name and secondary account can be in other's name. Try to change your ATM password, net banking password after certain period, maybe in a year gap. It will also help. Second one in the 5 solution is called counseling. First question arises for me many times is whom to counsel, parent or student. In the present situation, counseling is needed for both parent and students. It can change your life in a large extent. That's the value of counseling. Third one is called spend more time with children. Many parents used to tell us they are providing all facilities to the students, even sufficient pocket money they didn't get during their childhood. But the most lagging thing is they need to spend time with their children. Children need time with their parents, but they are very busy with their work. Parents, please try to find time to spare with your children. Next one is don't carry office work or loads to home. Then children will feel bored and irritated. Then automatically they will try to find their own way to spend time. That may dangerously lead to solutions like part 1. Fourth one, it's called limit gadget usage. Present generation is more familiar with the latest technologies. In a sense, it may affect in a worse manner also. So we have to control the usage. We have to categorize children into 2 while dealing. That is school students and degree students. School students, we can control them with strict rules. So we can direct them to use their system or laptop or this mobile in their home where the parents can observe them, it's not that much problem. But when we coming to degree level students, they need certain space. So they can be provided their gadgets in their personal rooms only after proper counseling. That is the case of degree students. And the fifth one is called make children more active. We have to direct them to some of the physical activities like games, arts, etc. Don't force any activity to your children. They will not like it as you feel. You are the parents. Spend some time with your children daily basis and understand what is your children's like and dislikes. Find out that he or she you have to provide what are the facilities to enhance their talents. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day.